Hello Cloud Monks, welcome back to my YouTube channel, A Cloud Monk. My name is Sachin Singh and today we are talking about 11 DevOps tools and technology which basically help you to grow in 2024. So let's start. So first definitely if we are talking about CI/CD tools, so there is like lot of CI/CD tools like Jenkins, we have Bamboo, and also like a few years back so also one new CI/CD tool basically introduced or we can say that is GitHub Action. So in 2024, so definitely it's in huge demand by many organizations. So first I will put GitHub Actions on the first number where basically you need to work on GitHub Actions. And you can also learn how we can integrate with GitHub Action with Terraform, with Kubernetes, and how we can put static and dynamic code analysis, different security related scanning, how we can do that. I think that integration is also important along with GitHub Action, right? So this is my first number. In second number, what we can see, so definitely if we are talking about cloud, so like in market we have different type of clouds platform available. First definitely AWS because it's capturing the lot of market around 60-65, I'm not sure exactly. In second number we have Azure, in third number we have GCP, right? So definitely one of the cloud you can learn in 2024 to grow in your life, in your professional career. So so this I will put in second number, and third we can use any Docker. So Docker we can use. So how we can use Docker, how we can create different images in Docker, how we can put those images to the Docker Hub, and after that how we can use those images locally and push to the ECR. If we are talking about AWS, then how we can push to ECR repository in the AWS platform. So that we can basically learn with Docker. After Docker, so Docker will be my third technology, and on fourth number I can say the Kubernetes. So for Kubernetes, so Docker is the like container platform, but right, and Kubernetes is a container orchestration tool. So just like Docker Swarm, right? But Kubernetes is more popular because through Kubernetes we can do multiple things, right? So there is lot of things we can learn in Kubernetes, and that by learning those things we can grow in that tool as well, right? Okay, so Kubernetes will be my fourth technology in 11, and fifth I can say the Terraform. Terraform will be the fifth one, which basically we need to learn. So if we are talking about infrastructure as a code, so in AWS cloud we have CloudFormation, we have AWS SAM services, right? So if we are only talking about the AWS platform, then in that case we can learn CloudFormation and AWS SAM. But if we are talking about cloud agnostic, right, where we can created some application, some cloud application, but later on we want to basically change that application to the another cloud platform. So in that case, basically we need to make the cloud agnostic applications. So whenever needed, we can convert cloud application from one cloud to the other cloud. And to make that happen, so what we can do, we can create the application in like generic tools like in Terraform. On sixth number, my tool will be the Ansible. So Ansible is a configuration management tool. So in market we also have like Chef and Puppet as a configuration management tool, but Ansible is like more popular. So that is why in market Ansible is the more popular tool for configuration management. That is why I put it in my list, right? And on 7th number I will put the monitoring tools. If we are talking about so there is like two different approaches. One is container based application, one and another one is non-container based application. So if we are talking about non-container based application, in that case we can use Splunk tool, we can use Dynatrace tool, monitoring tool, and we can use Datadog as well. So those are like more popular tools for monitoring, application monitoring and infrastructure monitoring. But if we are talking about the container based tools, so in that case Prometheus and Grafana is the more popular tools for container based application in Kubernetes, right? So that I will put in on 7th number. On 8th number I will put the Python language because if we are talking about cloud automations and doing the like anything like if we are developing cloud based application, so definitely Python is more interesting scripting language because with this means is easy to understand, easy to develop, and also easy to integrate with different tools and technology, right? So Python will be my 8th number. And on 9th number my next tool will be like VS Code because through VS Code we can develop any code. We can develop Terraform script, we can develop Python script, we can do the any code development in VS Code. So there is like lot of integration or we can say lot of extension which we can install, and by using that means we can develop code very easily. Okay, so that will be VS Code will be on 9th number in my list. So 10th number will be like Git. If we are talking about Git, GitHub, GitLab, so it will be my 10th list because we need to manage the code, maintain the codes. So that is why basically we need Git so we can do the like maintain the codes in the repository, and by following the like Git operations we can manage that code. We can commit the code, we can get the pull create the pull request through feature branches, so like those type of operations. So that is why Git will be on my my list as well, right? And 11th number I put the Linux OS because of like in the cloud platform we have like if we are seeing the capturing the market by OS, so Linux platform is on top. So like multiple organization following the Linux server because of its security provided by Linux machines. And yeah, so that is why Linux learning should also be there. We can basically learn bash scripting for Linux. We can learn different commands for Linux, and by that way we can increase our knowledge. So these are the like 11 tools and technology which we can learn in 2024 to grow in our professional lives. Thank you, Cloud Monks. See you. Bye bye.